How's it going, everyone? Sanders here from sztech and TV, and today I got an interesting one. You're never gonna guess what I'm recording myself with right now. Also, on that product, I'm recording the sound quality. Well, the crazy thing is, it's a security camera. It's a floodlight camera for the outside. But my crazy mind, since it has, let me just check, it has a 2K recording, 360 all around, subject tracking, we're gonna test that a little bit. So before I put the camera outside this garage, I wanted to check how it's gonna follow me. I mean, might as well. I might leave this camera to be for my video making. Has a great lighting, like an adjustable lighting. You can adjust the temperature of the lighting. It's waterproof. I mean, might as well in this security camera. You have the whole freaking YouTube setup. That didn't turn out how I wanted. That is freaking amazing. I just did a whole circle around, and the camera tracked my audio. Also, it's two-way audio. So whatever I say through the camera, people can, I mean, whoever is close to the camera on the other side can hear it. And it comes from the company called ANKER, and they have a couple of different brands under that name, like eufy, like Soundcore, and I already use some of their products. I have their battery charger and a couple of different things. And one thing that I can say about their products is, oh yeah, I totally forgot about the speaker, Bluetooth speaker that I really love from the Anker. One thing about their products is, as soon as you grab their product, you can tell it's a good quality. I'm not really a big fan of Apple products, but one thing is true. When you grab an iPhone or some of the Apple products, you can feel it is a good quality. Now, I am sponsored by Anker in this video. They did, like I said, reach out to me and sponsor me with this product, send me that product. They sponsored this video, but I'm gonna keep it real. I don't want you guys to buy something that I can't really recommend. I don't want you to buy something and not be satisfied with it. I think it's time for us to install that camera.
An installation of the camera is so easy, so really no need to be afraid even if you're doing it first time. So go to your breaker box, find which breaker you need to turn it off. Sometimes it may be easy if you have a light on the same breaker, so you're gonna see that you turned off the light and you know, okay, that is the same breaker. If you don't have that type of similar setup, I'll show you a tool that you can use that it's very good to have, so just so you can be safe. And this is the tool that I was telling you about. So for example, we turn this tool on, and as soon as we put close to any power source, it's gonna make a sound. So you don't even need to touch the wire or nothing like that. You're completely safe, but these tools show you that there is electricity. So make sure that you turn off the breaker, and then that tool will not blink red. When the tool is just stay green, you know you're safe. I took an old floodlight off that space there. There we go. And also the cool thing is they give you all the little tool that you need. Even they give you like a little rope with the hook, so you can have the light hooked. You can hook it to the ladder or wherever. So while you're attaching these three simple wires, like don't be afraid of the little challenge. It's very simple. It took me literally 30 seconds to remove the old floodlight, and that is not even my daily job. So now I'm going to install this one. I'll try to record and install that at the same time. I didn't bring my fancy equipment to record this, but you'll get it. It's very simple. And as I said, installation process is very simple. So if ever in your life you did a picture puzzle, this is more simple than that. As long as you turn off the power breaker, because if you don't do that, you're gonna end up dead. But if you so follow the steps, turn off the power breaker, make sure that there's no power source anymore. When you got that done, then just connect white wire to a white, green to green, black to black. So easy, so simple, and all the tools they give you already in the box. So installation process is, as I said, simple, fast, convenient, no problems.
The crazy thing is, in the app, you can manage so many settings based on time, based on everything, geographic. I mean, your Google position. It has also face recognition. They'll try to identify person. I really love it has a million settings to adjust, but it's still very simple to do all that. The app is very simple to mount, install the camera is very simple. Okay, this video has been all over the place, but now finally we are done, and as you can see, the camera is amazing and is probably, as I said hundreds of times, I'm super satisfied and impressed. And why wouldn't I be? I mean, you saw it yourself. Recording is really good, tracking is really good, sound quality is really good, and what else can you ask for? So even if I am sponsored by Anker, and Anker, thank you so much for reaching out to me, I can without a problem recommend that product to anyone, because as you saw, works very nice. And even if you are not really maybe in that particular camera or something like that, they have plenty other products. So yeah, they have a lot of security cameras, they have a lot of sound products, speakers and stuff, and headphones, really good headphones. They have those robot vacuum cleaners. They have plenty of things, so definitely check them out, because they really make good quality products. And like I said, the products that I bought before, I already had them for about 2 years and never had any issues. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Anker, thank you so much for reaching out. I hope everyone liked this video. Subscribe, share, follow. Also, I'm on a TikTok now with the same name, so you can follow me there as well for much shorter videos. And I'll see you in the next one.